Well, it is an often forgotten about group of young people who are left to figure things out on their own. Think about it. We hear a lot about programs to get children adopted, but what happens when they age out of the foster care system? Now, the mission of my next guest is to help youth who have experienced homelessness after foster care. Renika Atkins, the founder of RISE, is joining me straight out of Fort Worth, Texas this morning. But your organization, Renika, is all about helping kids all across North Texas. So welcome on into the studio.
Thank you so much, and thank you for having me.
Absolutely. So I want you to tell me about RISE, why you created this organization. What was that deficit out there that made you say, oh no, I see this and I got to do something about it?
Yes, I created RISE out of my own experience being a part of the foster care system and understanding that there was not a lot of support system once youth age out of the foster care system.
Now, STEM education and resources, really that's built into the pillars of your organization. Yes, I've done my research. I want to know specifically why you choose to focus on STEM as it relates to making sure these young folks have the resources they need.
Well, honestly, it's from personal pursuit, but also STEM is one of the fields that is well known and it's well provided for. On top of that, it's a low barrier to entry. It does not take a lot to get into the STEM field, and you can pick up science, technology, engineering, and math in any field that you go into. So that's why I chose it.
And I think a lot of people miss that too, that you can pick up STEM-related resources in any field that you are in. What are some of the often overlooked resources that children who age out of the foster care system need that your organization can help provide?
Mental health. Even just a support system, just someone there to advocate for them, to get them into the services that they need, to get them back connected to the services that they had while they were in foster care. Also housing, helping them to navigate how to find housing, because it's hard finding housing, and also we have a deficit of affordable housing. Having someone there to advocate for them when they don't have the background, when they don't have the credit, when they don't have the experience is very important to us.
One of the things that caught my attention, I think a couple of years ago when I initially learned about RISE and the work that you're doing, you had a program for young girls during the summer for STEM education. Tell me about that program.
Yes, we have the Her Code Summer STEM Experience. It's for girls who have experience in the foster care system. They can be in the system, be siblings of people in the system. Every summer in Fort Worth and now in Houston, we provide a summer STEM experience where we teach them life skills. We have civic engagement. We teach them how to talk to city officials. City officials come and talk to them. Oh, it's so amazing. And, you know, it's just unique because otherwise, they would not get that exposure, they would not get that access, and that's what we aim to do.
And I was just about to say, when it comes to exposure to those type of people that are in these city positions, I don't remember being in high school or just fresh out of high school, I would have an opportunity to even speak to those type of people. So cool stuff there. I'm so happy you were able to mention that. You have something that's coming up that also caught my attention on LinkedIn, because I've been following what's going on with you and the organization. It's called the Brilliance Ball, and I think it's appropriately named for the young people that you interact with. Tell us about the Brilliance Ball and how people can support it.
Yes, so this year is our first year that we have enough girls who've gone to college from our summer camp. We've been doing it for 6 years. So now that they've gone to college, we want to gift them with scholarships in the names of some very influential people in Fort Worth. We have Congressman Mark Vesey, who's going to be our honorary chair, Dr. Karen Duncan from JPS, and also Dr. Sylvia Trent Adams, who are going to lend their names and their reputations to name these scholarships after them. It's going to be a tech experience. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be AR. I'm not going to give too much away.
I was about to say, don't give them all because you need the support. So Renika, certainly thank you so much for joining us. And if we can pull that graphic up one more time, I just want to make sure people have the information that they need to be able to support this organization. It is thebrillianceball.com. You can take a quick picture of this. Friday, May 3rd. It's happening at the Social Space over in Fort Worth. And from the Brilliance Ball website, they can go and find more information about RISE as well. So Renika, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you so much for having me.